Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Seva Prabowo from Management 23 and my NPM is 33411180. So right now, I would like to do a presentation and the topic for this presentation about the accountant role in decision making. Without further ado, let's begin to the presentation. So, when we heard the word accountant, we often picture someone buried under piles of receipts, balancing spreadsheet, and focusing solely on uh, tax and historical record. But today, I want to challenge that traditional view. Over the next 5 minutes, we will explore how the role of the modern accountant has fundamentally shifted. We are no longer just recorder of past transactions. We have transformed into a proactive, strategic business partner who actively steer companies toward growth and long-term success. Evaluation of the accountant role. Let's begin by looking at this evaluation. Traditionally, accountant act as a bookkeeper. Their main job was to look backward, answering the question, what has already happened? While tracking past financial data and compliance is incredibly important, it is a reactive and administrative approach. Today, however, the modern accountant operates as a strategic partner instead of just looking at the past. We look forward to answer. How do we grow in the future? We analyze market risk, evaluate the financial health of potential vendors, and actively participate in designing the business model of tomorrow. We translate raw number into actionable strategic advice. Three pillars of contribution. To understand how we do this practically, let's break our contribution down into three core pillars. First, we are the information provide. In today, fast-paced work, managers suffer from information overload. Our job is to filter, organize, and simplify financial data so that leaders can see the big picture clearly. The second is we are risk mitigator. Before any major decision is finalized, we perform sensitivity analysis and financial feasibility studies. We identify where budget leak might happen and assess potential financial risk before they hurt the bottom line. And the third is we are tactical planner. We forecast cash flow and build flexible budget. This ensures that when the company want to invest in a new opportunity or adjust internal operation, they have a real bill, step-by-step financial roadmap to get done. Concept of cost relevance. One of the most valuable tools an accountant bring to the decision-making table in the concept of cost relevance. Not all costs are created equal, and knowing which one to ignore is just as important as knowing which one to analyze. As you can see on the screen, we categorize cost into your main type. First, sunk costs. These are past expenses that cannot be recovered. For example, money spent on old market research. Since we cannot change the past, these costs are completely irrelevant to future decisions. On the other hand, differential costs, which show the difference in experiences between two future choices are highly relevant. We also calculate opportunity cost, which represent the potential benefit we give up when we choose one path of another. And finally, avoidable cost, expense of that we can completely eliminate if we stop certain project by focus only one relevant cost. We prefer decision maker for falling into psychology trap and wasting research on the wrong priorities. Case study: make or buy. To see this relevant cost concept in action, let's look at a classic make or buy decision-making scenario. Imagine a company needs a specific component for their product. Alternative A is to make it in-house, costing 550 million rupiah. And alternative B is to buy from an external supplier, costing 380 million rupiah. On paper, buying saves the company a different cost of 70 million rupiah, which is a 50.5% saving. But a strategic accountant look deeper. We also factor in the opportunity cost. By outsourcing the component, we free up factor flow space. We can now use that space to manufacturing a new product that generate even more revenue. This is how financial analysis turn a simple cost-cutting decision into a strategy growth opportunity. Technology and the future. Now, none of this would be as impactful without technology. We are currently living in the era of big data and business intelligence. Accountants are no longer restricted to traditional static spreadsheet. Today, we utilize advanced data analytic and interactive dashboard. This allows us to track consumer habit, monitor cash flow, and predict market shift in real time. With this technology, we can feed executive team with up to the minute price data and elevate the organization to pivot quickly, act decisively, and stay ahead of the composition. Alright, maybe just only that what I can explain in here. More or less, I apologize. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next presentation.